Hi guys, it's Alicia here from aliciadejong.com. Just thought I'd do this quick video to show you how you can create a custom audience from inside your actual ad. So there's two ways that we can create custom audiences. We can always go up to Ads Manager and then we can go across to audiences and create a custom audience that way. But sometimes we're in an ad, we're creating an ad and we're like, oh my God, like I haven't created that audience, or I want to add that extra video onto my video views web audience, or just create a new one just because, okay? So we can actually do it from within our actual ad. So I've gone into create an ad. You know, you can see here, I've just gone for an engagement ad because I want to get back in front of people. Anyway, AdSet name, blah, blah, blah. Custom audiences here. So in here, we can actually go create new. So create new, custom audience. And in this instance, I'm actually want to create a custom audience of people that have viewed a video or engaged on a video. So I'm going to go for engagement because this is a retargeting ad. So then I'm going to go video. And then here, I want people who have viewed at least 10 seconds of the video. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose the videos that I want. So we are in Coast to Country Pressure Cleaning. And this video here is the one I want. I want to retarget this 5,700 people, okay? So I'm going to tick that. I already have an audience for these guys, but I want to retarget the ones who specifically engaged with this because we're running a, as you can see here, we're running a competition and it's going to end on Saturday. So I want to try and get as many people in as possible into the hat so they can be drawn to win the prize. So I now want to retarget these people, okay? It's just a short little video. It's a bit of a slideshow we do. And on Instagram and Facebook, you can see that we've had 5,725 visitors, or video views, I should say. Okay, so then I just go confirm. And I'm going to put video views for the competition. And I'll just put today's date, 10 May. Oops, competition. And that's it. Go create audience. Okay. So now that will pop up here and I can continue on with my ad. I hope you find this helpful. It's just a little tip that, you know, it saves you having to go out and back in and out and back in, and you can keep getting on with your ad and be a bit more time efficient. Okay. Bye.